Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in 2026, people are still split between two completely different productivity applications. We have Notion and Apple Notes. So one is a powerful all-in-one workspace and the other one is shockingly simple but insanely fast. So which one should you actually use daily? Let's find out in this video. So first of all, let's start with Notion. So Notion is basically the ultimate productivity toolbox now. You can create documents, databases, task managers, study systems, content calendars, and even full business workspaces inside the application. And in 2026, its AI features became much smarter, helping with summaries, writing, planning, and organizing the projects automatically. Notion is best for students, creators, teams, project management, deep organization lovers. The customization is honestly unmatched here. So, but the catch here is that for many people, Notion can still feel overwhelming. Sometimes you spend more time building the systems than actually doing the work here. Now let's just talk about Apple Notes. So Apple Notes quietly become one of the best everyday applications in the Apple ecosystem. It is fast, it is reliable, and it opens instantly. You can scan your documents, you can make the folders, you can lock the notes, use handwriting, audio recording, and even sync everything smoothly across Apple devices. In 2026, Apple have improved smart searches, AI summaries, and organization features even more. The biggest advantage here is zero setup. You just have to open the application and start writing immediately. So for quick thinking, journaling, saving the ideas, and personal notes, Apple Notes honestly feels less stressful than Notion. So the real question here is which one should you actually use? So if you want complete productivity system, Notion still wins. But if you want something fast and simple and friction free, Apple Notes is honestly hard to beat right now. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.